Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out one of the most value-packed Android tablet bundles you can get right now, the TECLAST 10 Android 14 tablet, and it's more than just a tablet. It's a full 2-in-1 productivity setup that includes a keyboard, mouse, stylus, and even a case, all at a wallet-friendly price point. Let's dive right in. This compact 10-inch tablet runs the latest Android 14, giving you an updated user interface, improved app optimization, and better security. Whether you're using it for streaming, studying, or working on the go, you're getting the freshest Android experience right out of the box. Powering it all is 10 GB of RAM, that's 6 GB of physical RAM with 4 GB of virtual expansion paired with 128 GB of internal storage, and support for up to 1 TB via microSD. That's more than enough memory for smooth multitasking, app switching, and storing documents, videos, and offline downloads. Under the hood, TECLAST has optimized this tablet with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, so you get faster connectivity whether you're working wirelessly or gaming online. Add in GPS functionality, and this tablet becomes perfect for travel, navigation, and mobile productivity. The 6000 mAh battery delivers strong endurance, perfect for students who need an all-day device or casual users who want a go-to tablet for media and light work. Charging is done via USB-C for modern convenience. But the real highlight, this isn't just a tablet, you get a full productivity kit. The package includes a detachable keyboard, wireless mouse, stylus, and protective case, basically everything you need to turn this into a mini laptop setup. It's ideal for students, remote workers, and anyone who wants a versatile Android device without overspending. From note-taking to online classes, video streaming to light productivity, the TECLAST Android tablet with keyboard is an affordable 2-in-1 that over-delivers on value. Check the link in the description to see the latest pricing, and if you love affordable tech with premium features, be sure to like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and hit that bell so you never miss a drop.